20th Century Fox Home Entertainment. Five, four, three, two, one. 20th Century Fox.
Fox Family Features 3 Magic Words. Your ride to a whole world of family entertainment. When it says Fox Family Features on the box, here's what you can expect inside.
With scenes from Ice Age. Anastasia.
You see what I see? Yes!
You think that I am Anastasia?
That's why I'm stuck here in limbo.
Oh, don't get so grabby.
Rio.
And so it
Fantastic Mr. Fox. Alvin and the Chipmunks.
My life is being sabotaged by talking chipmunks.
The Book of Life.
Welcome to the land of the remember.
Don't try to take it all in at once.
Just hold on.
Epic.
What's going on, girl?
Talking snails.
I'm a slug. No shell over here, baby.
The Virgil, the ground tender.
Come far. Now your journey lies beyond.
Can I watch a scary movie?
Virgil, Dr. Dolittle.
I don't like you. I don't need you. I don't want you in my life.
Robots.
Whoops. There goes my stuff.
Night of the Museum. Gyro with the Kid. Garfield the movie.
Down, dumb dog. I'm just Big Bone, okay?
Gordon Hears a
He's
Who.
a fibbit.
Barbara the Magnificent.
Sounds impressive, I know.
A Troll in Central Park.
You've got to have a dream. Today
The Wiggles
is Dorothy the
movie.
dinosaur's birthday, and we're going to give a great big surprise birthday party for her, right?
Thumbelina.
I wish I were big. Don't ever wish to be anything but what you are.
How are we gonna find
Everyone's
Just keep
Hero.
looking, alright? Bingo! It's gotta be Dave's bat. At least I got the bat.
The Peanuts movie. The Sippins movie.
You run out, I'll teach you to laugh at something that's funny.
And Henry's Adventures.
Excuse me.
Penguins of Madagascar.
Now I'd like to show off, Private.
Legend of Ross Harvey's Return. Space Champs.
No one wants to sing along.
We got
Jonah, a VeggieTales movie.
Fish food. You see this
Free
line?
birds.
Do not come into my personal space. Did you not see the line?
Walking with Dinosaurs.
Keep on me. Yeah?
Mr. Sherman.
I did not see that come. Hi, Charlie.
All dogs go to heaven.
Shut up. I'm alive. Charlie, it's really you.
Home.
He's my pet.
Now he's vibrating. Is he going to explode?
Igor.
Created life. Maybe I did too much.
Aliens in the Attic.
The humans. Start the show with a name you know. My head, my butt.
Sleep.
Whoops, I tried.
Fox Family Features.
I'd give her a ha and a hi-ya, and I'd kick her, sir.
Everyone's favorites. Every time.
Only from 20th Century Fox. Fox Video. Twentieth Century Fox.
This episode was made possible in part by the Van Ekron family, founders of Lando Frost, and the Hamill Family Foundation.